is soya malunggay pulpuron. You won't find this anywhere. I mean, I think you're going to find this somewhere, pero basta nakita ko na siya dun eh, so I bought it. Yeah, kailangan pa bang tanongin na malunggay ito? Hindi ko masyadong malasahan yung malunggay. Maman na atang lasa ng malunggay eh. But the point is, the pulveron itself, ma-crunch, a little sweet, milky, and buttery. Tsaka mas solid siya dun sa isa. Let's try naman our soya cashew pulveron. Here. The best. Hindi siya ganun katamis. But lasang-lasa yung cashew nuts. Which is, I love cashew nuts. So, it's like toasted cashew nuts na yung sinama dito. Lasang-lasa mo siya. Perfect. Next one is try this. Peanut kisses from Bohol. Actually, I've tried this before, pero I forgot yung lasa kasi bata pa ako. But yeah, it's peanut kisses. Yeah, peanut kisses. So nakikita niyo to sa grocery, I'm sure. It looks like Hershey's Kisses, but I think it resembles chocolate hills as well. Yeah. Naalala ko nga before when I had this. Sobrang lasang peanut siya. It's like butter cookies. If you're familiar with butter cookies na nabibili sa grocery. Tapos malutong na malutong siya. Tapos maraming peanuts. So parang siyang tinatad sa peanut butter. Tapos ground peanuts. Tapos sobrang malutong. Anong English ng malutong? It's not crispy, diba? I mean, malutong is also crispy, pero for this instance, crunchy. Yeah. Whatever. Basta, you know what I mean. It's a crunchy biscuit. Yeah. Yon. This one is ampaw. So, it's not actually the usual ampaw that yung Rice Krispies na nabibili natin in the store. This one's peanut ampaw. It's peanut coated. So, yan. Here are. So, let's try it. It's hollow. There. Yeah. It's sweeter than the usual ampaw. It's chewy. Actually, it's crunchy outside, but the inside's really chewy. Oh yeah. Tapos, lasang-lasa mo yung crushed peanuts sa labas. Pero sobrang makaramel sa loob. As in, sorry friends. I'm really sorry friends. Hindi ko siya i-share sa inyo. Sarap niya. This one. Ooh. This one is mango chocolate. It's dried mango coated with Belgian chocolate. So let's see inside. Yeah, here and here. Whoa. Look at this, look at this. Let's try one. Ooh, it looks like sushi. I don't know why. It looks like sushi to me. Surprisingly, the combination is great. Actually, nung binili ko to, I was very intrigued by the combination. It's mango, it's fruit, and chocolate. And usually mango doesn't go with chocolate, I think. But this one's good. The chocolate is good. It says Belgian, but yeah. It tastes like Belgian chocolate though. We're almost finished. Actually, kanina naputol pala yung video. Sorry. Kasi nalobat ako. Anyway, I'm done with the chocolate mangoes. It's really good though. And this one. This one is called chicharon. I don't know why. It's because it's guilt-free chicharon, that's why. Yeah, it's called Healthy Bites. Though wala naman silang sinabi dito what it's made from. So I'm just going to try it. Maybe it's from vegetables, tofu, I don't know. I don't know kung saan siya gawa. Or if this is guilt-free chicharon, sobrang sarap niya. It tastes like chicken skin na medyo mas matabang than the usual. Is cheese sticks. And yeah, look at that. Look at the check. It's cheese stick. Well, I think it's not really cheese sticks. It's more of a cheese bar. They just call it cheese sticks kasi it's like cheese bar na mukhang stick. Sorry. Sobrang ano na talaga. The packaging is nice. Look. Ayan. Here. This is good. Lalo siyang, if you're familiar with lemon square cheesecake, lalo siyang ganun, pero mas chunky siya. Kasi di ba medyo mag-cake kasi yung cupcake kasi yun eh. This one is like, imagine a fudge brownie, tapos cheese flavored siya. Sobrang cheesy niya and sweet. Tapos ang chunky niya. This is good. Sorry friends, wala kayong pasalubong na cheese sticks. Aww. Alright, so what else? Oh, kalimutan ko to. This one is Subuchon Chicharon. Subuchon is actually famous for their Cebu lechon. And meron na sila ditong branch sa Manila. Pero I'm not sure if they sell this chicharon here. So I'm gonna try it. Here. Yeah. Nice. Right. It's really crispy. Actually crunchy. Ano ba tayo dun sa crispy? Yeah, it's really crunchy. And hindi siya ganun kaalat actually. Kasi usually yung mga chicharon na titikman ko maalat eh. Yung ramdam na ramdam mo talaga yung kasalanan mo. Kasalanan. Anyway. What else? Oh, here, let's try it. This one's from Bohol. Yeah. It's ube calamay. So, let's open it. Ooh. Para siyang mozzarella cheese. Sobrang sticky. Kapag may lasa siyang parang gata, coconut milk. Sobrang sticky niya. Tapos kalasa niya yung sapin-sapin. Alam mo yung kung ano yung violet part ng sapin-sapin. Ganun yung lasa niya. Tapos mas sticky siya. Kasi di ba yung sapin-sapin medyo solid. Ito mas stretchy, mas soft, mas parang spread. So parang, yun. Ang milky, magata. Tapos, meron siya actually lasang ube, of course. Kasi ube kalamay nga eh. Anyway. Next one is, sige, this one is cacao de leche. Basically milk chocolate. Pero it's a luscious dark chocolate spread made of pure cacao and milk caramel. So basically it's dulce de leche with I don't know if it's I don't think this is tablea, pero it's made of cocoa. And I'm excited to try it kasi cacao, iba kasi ang cacao sa province. It's not the usual commercialized chocolate flavor. So hindi lang siya basta chocolate spread. It's really, really dark. Tapos yung feels ng chocolate niya is cacao talaga, which is native. Diba? Parang, alam mo yun, diba iba yung lasa kapag native yung chocolate. Tapos, hindi siya parang milk and chocolate lang. Kasi yung ginamit sa kanya is caramel. So, it's like caramelized milk. So, parang siyang yema. Tapos, nilagyan ng cacao. So, ibang-iba yung combination niya. It's really sweet though. So, siguro perfect siya with bread. Or para dun sa mga sweet lovers, lagay niyo pa sa cake. Lagay niyo sa triple chocolate cake. Lagay niyo pa yan. Or ni ko, no? Jabinig. Next one is ito. This one is called masarial, although wala siya sa label. But I can assure you that this is hindi, meron. Nasa likod lang. Yeah. It's delicious masarial. Okay. Yeah. Try ko lang siya. Kasi this is a different brand from what my dad used to buy. So yeah, this one. Ang lasa ng masarial is more on ground peanuts. Yeah. Tapos parang siya nilagyan ng milk. So, para siyang yung laman nung tart, pero mas light siya doon. Mas more peanut siya than milk. Kasi yung laman nung tart na, yung nabibili natin na tart na naka-cellophane din, naka-kanto. Para siyang yung laman. So, yun. Bubusog na ako. Ang dami kong tinitikman eh. Gabi na, papagalitan na naman ako ng mom ko. Gabi na ako, sobrang dami ko pang kinakain. But tikim lang naman eh. Diba? My last one is from Bohol. And I'm gonna eat it for you guys. So I don't think I'll like it, or I don't know if I like it. Basta the next one is exotic chicharron, or no, exotic chicha worm. I'm quite scared, but for the sake of this vlog, I'll eat it. Okay. Okay. This one. If hindi mo iisipin na worm siya, ang sarap niya. It's hollow sa loob. Hindi siya malaman. It's hollow. So it's like eating a very oily chicharong bituka. It's like the fried intestine of the pork. Yeah. Good though. So, I'm gonna share this with my brother. Yeah, he likes exotic food more than me. But it's good. You have to try it. So, basically, yun. I was able to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 kinds of pasalubong from what? From what? Wait. Oh, okay. From Iloilo, Bacolod, Cebu, and Bohol. So, actually, I think marami pa akong hindi natatry. Pero, this one is all that I can, share right now with you. Those mango products, peanut products, chicharon, the biscuits, but what I liked most sa lahat ng to was, of course, the cheese sticks. Yeah. The cacao de leche. This is from Bacolod. The mango chocolate. I like this though. This chicharon. And this one, the dried mango tamarind balls. And of course, this one, the Subuchon chicharon. So basically, that's what I liked, and I hope when you get to visit the islands that I've visited, actually I'm going to go back there soon because my time is really limited when I went there. So basically, I'm gonna try more. So yeah, I hope you go visit these islands like Iloilo, Bacolod, Cebu Bohol because the people there are really nice. The food is really nice. The tourist attractions and destinations are really nice. Though hindi ko masyadong napuntahan yung iba, but I'm definitely going to go back there. It's easy to travel alone kasi people speaks English, people speaks Filipino, and if you know Bisaya, it's much easier. And that's it. So basically, I'm going to eat this all, and I'm going to share some of it with my friends and see you around. Good night. It's already 11:30, so I need to go to sleep because tomorrow I'll be going to Camarines Sur. Hi guys, Jervin Marquez here, and for more food, travel, and personal vlogs, you may visit and subscribe to my channel, or for any questions, you may drop a comment in any of my social media accounts. See you later.